feel like my life has changed.
The farmers have 1 dog, 2 kids, and 3 jobs, but it's Carmen's business that is growing the fastest. They haven't outgrown the house, but they are busting at the seams in the office. I'm Adar Kirkham, and I am going to reimagine one room in your home. I'm going to thrift, paint, and repurpose what you got with $1,500 and 24 hours. Let's go.
I'm D'Angelo Farmer. This is my wife.
Carmen.
We live here in Southfield, Michigan, right outside of Detroit.
I work in the state of Michigan.
I'm a principal, and she also started a business 2 years ago.
I started Achilles Love Body Care a few months after having my second child, early 2020. So it was something that I used to really just focus on myself, and it's just been snowballing and going really well ever since.
Gotta grow the business, right? We want it to
Thrive.
grow.
Thrive.
Yeah.
Yeah, before the business, the office was fine. You know, we come in there, do some work, and then business happened, and it was like, now we need
Yeah, the office exploded.
Right.
Yeah, you got a lot in that room.
Yeah, I want the office to feel more like an office. One of the things that I do is I have product photography.
Lots of props.
Yeah, lots of props.
So you're taking these props all over the house. Like you're in the dining room, you're in the kitchen, you're
Yep, depending
right?
on the lighting. Once I started the business, the product came, the inventory came, materials, shipping,
Yes, you
everything
got a lot
like
in
that.
that room.
Yeah.
So that's probably the #1 thing on your list, on your wish list for the space is
Yes.
the function of the
The
space.
functionality, yes,
Definitely.
for sure.
Okay. What about color?
We're open to color. We don't want anything like super crazy.
Does this feel more earthy? I don't know.
You guys are giving me earth, more muted,
Subtle.
more
There you go.
muted tones, but you
Yes.
like color, just muted tones.
Yes.
Okay.
We don't mind
Yeah.
pops of color.
Yeah.
And stylistically, would you guys say
I think we are transitional because we're like traditional, but
It's a blend.
we like our house to be comfortable.
All right, so this is what we're working with. This is their home office. We are going to turn this into a functional space. The big part of this project is function for them. As you can see, they have product everywhere. First things first, I gotta find her a storage unit. This corner screams the corner for it, so ideally something really tall with some doors and drawers so all of her products can go behind closed doors. #2, I'd love to provide a photo area for her so she can take pictures of her products all within this space. Color, let's talk about color. I think on the website, I went to the website of her product line and a lot of the labels on her products are based in coral. So I'm gonna do this whole room in a coral, muted coral shade. Kind of terracotta-ish. That's gonna be, all the walls are gonna be in the one color. It's gonna be a great place. The organization is the most important part. I'm painting the first coat here. I picked a really muted coral. Oftentimes, a lot of people don't know they like color. So I'm hoping in this instance, I'm going to show her, she likes color. I mean, she had on a vibrant orange shirt today. She likes color. And so I'd love to show her that she can really like bold color all throughout the space. And to be honest, this color is really not that bold. It's really muted. It's gonna dry even darker than what you're seeing here. So I feel like I'm in a good zone, but we won't know until they see it. I love this cabinet. We sourced this cabinet for $85. $85. I'm really digging this cobalt blue color. I pulled it from her website. I'm pushing them outside of their comfort zone. I want to really push them to see how color can still be a calming space. We're gonna throw some wallpaper in these areas on the drawers since they're kind of beat up and in bad shape. I want this to really pop because this is the main missing piece in the room is storage. And beautiful storage. Why not beautiful storage? So now I'm going to give this desk, they already had a little extra something, a little more personality. Once we rotated it, we discovered this really cool built-in shelf. So in this entire back piece, I'm going to glue a shower curtain that I had, just so it gives it a little pattern and personality. I have more than enough. So now that I have my piece, I'm gonna use my glue, and you literally just slap the glue on. Oh, this is gonna be fun. While you're there. Nice work, gentlemen. I love the color against our terracotta walls. Looks really good. Just gotta wallpaper these, and maybe some touch-up spots, and then add our clear handles. We also are throwing on the acrylic handles on the desk so that they kind of match and tie together. Wallpaper, shall we? Okay. What do we think?
Maybe split the difference.
Yeah, somewhere in here. Right, overall team?
Yes.
Love that for us.
Yes, ma'am.
So we decided to put the extra shower curtain fabric in the back of this cabinet just to brighten it up in there and to tie it in with the desk. They're perfect. Great, thanks, Jack. Appreciate you. You want a wallpaper?
No.
So we had enough fabric, luckily just enough. And it looks really cool with the outside. I sourced a ladder desk that fits perfectly in between her two doors, and it works beautifully for a photo station. I really want her to have a designated area to take photos. So now I'm just loading in some of her products in our beautiful cabinets. We have plenty of storage now because we're now using her cube system that she had in the closet. All of her shipping and packaging materials beautifully placed in there. And now we have an additional piece here, so she has ample storage to grow her business and to stay organized. We are done the home office. It looks so good. Functionality and productivity just radiates throughout this room just by the changes that we've made. So I'm excited for her to see it. My fear is it too much color for the farmers? It's the moment we've been waiting for. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Are you really ready?
Yes.
Come
There
and
we
see
go.
your new office.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
So this is like a terracotta color. I was inspired by your labels of your products.
Yes.
Thank you.
So I pulled the color and said, let's wrap her room in it. And then also on the website, I saw some cobalt blue backgrounds.
Oh, look at
I
that.
love the cabinet.
So I was like, ooh, cobalt blue is gonna be a great color to pop off against the terracotta
Yeah.
You
walls.
did a great job.
Yes, this is nice.
It feels like an office.
Yes,
That was my
it
goal.
does.
Go check out that cabinet over there. So
Oh,
we
wow.
sourced this cabinet so that you can store all of your things
Oh, nice.
comfortably.
Wow.
So much space. We painted this, we wallpapered the front.
Yeah.
Now, this is storage. This is functional. This is attractive storage.
Right.
And we got a large unit that goes tall, so it brings your eye up.
I cannot
right?
even believe
So
that
now-
you guys did this. I feel like my life has changed.
Now, I want, is this,
Absolutely.
can she use this board here?
So this, I'm so glad.
Tell me
I'm so
about-
glad you asked me. So this is. I noticed that you had notes just up on the wall on paper.
Yes, I
Yes.
noticed that too.
I wanted to create a calendar so you can say organized. This is a dry erase calendar that I just made.
Nice. Okay.
So you
So
can
we
write
can
anything
write
on
it and wipe
here,
it off.
right?
There
And then you can wipe it off. So you can change it month to month. It's
Yes.
attractive. It's just paint swatches that we use from the
Yes.
hardware store.
Oh, right, it is.
And you can stay organized and it's not paper up on the wall.
You
Got
have
the signage.
blown my mind.
This is your
Photo area. Yeah.
You have a designated space where you can set your stuff up.
Before, I was like carrying it all around the house, trying to find good lighting, everything like that. Having this set up just like this is going to really help me. Like, you have no idea.
Are we for productive now? Or are we gonna be like,
Yes.
you know what I mean, right?
Look, we're about to-
Listen, we're gonna go sell some products.
Exactly.
Okay?
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
You want to
so
try
much. I'm
some
so
product now?
happy. I was waiting for you to ask.
It's time. It's time. The
Beautiful.
rose of body oil.